Hey everyone, if you have ever wanted to create a website but felt overwhelmed by design, coding, or layout options, you are not alone. Many people want a professional looking website quickly without spending days learning complicated tools. Luckily, Wix has an AI powered website builder that makes the process easy and beginner friendly. Today, I will walk you through how to use Wix AI to create a website step by step. So you can have a functional, attractive site ready in just a minute, even if you have never built one before. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and show easy ways to save time, grow your online presence, and get things done efficiently. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description to get the direct access to Wix AI. By using the link, any free trial or special offer, they will be applied automatically. So you can start building your website right away without any hassle. Wix AI, also called the Wix ADI, standard for Artificial Design Intelligence. Essentially, it asks you few questions, just simple question about your business or website goals, like the type of site you want, your industry, preferred style, and the pages you need. For example, you may choose one online store, blog, or portfolio. Then Wix AI generate a full website layout. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started with step-by-step process. Just go to wix.com or use the direct link from description to directly redirect it on this page and with any special offer or discount. Now, just hover on this product. You will see AI website builder. Just click on this. Now you will be on this page. If you use the link from description, then directly you will be on this page. Now click on this create with AI. Here it will ask you to create an account. So if you already have your account, then just simply log in, or if you don't have any account, then go to sign up and create your account. So I already have my account, so I will just log in by using Google. You will see there is two options, Wix Vibe and Wix. Generate an entire site from a prompt. Best if you can describe your vision in a word. And what is Wix? This is the AI website creation. Build your site step by step with AI and customize it visually with drag and drop. Basically, if you use the Vibe, then you will get a full website with just one prompt. And if you want section by section or block by block, then you can use the Wix AI. Basically, we will use this one. I think for beginner, it's the better option. Now just simply click on this start chat. Now it will ask you some question, just answer them. So it's saying, tell me what your site is all about. Let's say I want to create a website where I will give any consultant or marketing consultant or this kind of thing. So a marketing consultant, let's say this. Next, what is your business site or project name? So basically, it's asking me for the domain type so that it can generate logo or subheading or the subtitle. What type of services do you offer as a marketing consultant? We help businesses to grow online and earn more. Okay, so let's write this businesses. We help businesses to grow online and earn more. Do you have any additional goals like building an email list or increasing social media engagement? Let's say I want to build an email list. Can you share your unique selling point that makes your service stand out? We are working for last 7 years and also we ourselves is a success business. Now just click on this generate site and you can see the outline here. It will take some time and you will get a very stunning website in just minute. Basically, it analyzing the question and our answer and it will give all the images, font, text, page layout that fit our chosen style and industry. Let's give it a time and here it is. Now click on this create with design to customize this template. Now click on the continue to editor. Now let's just customize the text, images, or anything which you want to edit or customize. So basically it's the logo and a menu for the home. Okay, all right. Empower your online growth today. At Easy Access Tech, we help business thrive online through targeted strategies and solution tailored to your unique needs. Okay, all right. If you want, then you can click on this edit. You can change the logo here. You can edit if needed, or if you want to add any logo, how to do that. Now just go to this column, click on this plus icon, add an image for your logo basically, then upload and import, then upload image, then just upload an image here and it will work as a logo. Now let's say I want to change this text. You can simply, as like the CMS, you can change all of these text, images. You can change the color, font, theme, each and everything. Let's say I want to move it to here. Simply just drag and drop. And then let's move to the footer. Now change the addresses, the contact, and each of the thing your privacy policy, or if you don't want anything, just delete them. Click on this mobile icon to make it responsive for mobile devices. Now just move all of the thing, and I think all of this is okay, and I think I should change the size of this text. Let's move it a little bit to remove the negative space, and I think now it's okay. Okay, after slightly edited, now it's optimized or responsive for the mobile. Let's get back to the desktop view, and all of the design is intact with desktop view also. Now click on this save, and if you want to connect your custom domain, you can go with that, but I will use the default one. Save and continue. If you want, then you can just copy the URL and you can use this, but before that you have to publish this, right? So just click on this publish button, and that's it basically. So if you want, then you can view this site, and this is the website that we have created by using AI. Can you imagine this? Now if I give a little time to edit or customize this, I can make it more beautiful. Like I can use a custom logo instead of this typography, and I can use the drop down menu here, and after doing all of this thing, I can say it's a great option today to using the AI to make your website. So that's it basically for today's video, and that is how you can easily create any website by using AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to use link from description to get started easily on Wix AI. So that's it basically. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.